The 2011 Corolla. The Corolla is still a great option for those who want dependability, comfort, and value, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, auto-dimming rear view mirror, PPO, power windows, daytime running lights, cloth seats, power mirrors, tire pressure monitor, 4-piece floor mat set. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.